My name is Malik. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, currently I found this opportunity, and I want everybody to stake in this opportunity immediately and fast away. I think I see no one is actually seeing this phase of opportunity right now. So, I'm going to be showing you this this AI application that Google released 3 months or 2 months back ago. So, I'm going to be showing you how this application works. And most of you know this application, or most of you do not know, but I hope I'm able to give you value on what this application does. So right now the name is Google Stitch. So we are going to be shouting on Google Stitch. Yeah. So once it's easy, all you need now. Google Stitch was designed by Google, like I told you, and it's using it's using Google's powerful model 2.5 Pro and 2.5 Flash, which is Gemini 2.5 and 2.5 Pro and Flash. So right now I've used this, I've tested this tool out, and this tool is one of the most easiest AI tools to actually use right away. So if you want to build web applications and you want to have a taste of what you want to build, you don't want to spend too much money on MVPs and stuff like that, then this is the best application you should use right now. So all you have to do is to give this AI prompt to build maybe your web application. So let's say we are going to be building an application where people sell houses. Let's just say maybe some kind of a real estate application. So let's give it to this AI because this AI is capable of building a web app design for us immediately. So let's try it. So we have gotten our prompt from ChatGPT. What we are going to do is we're going to paste our prompt here right away. Right now, you can have this on a standard mode or maybe on an experimental mode. But although I'm using the standard mode, and if you want an experimental mode, you will use an image and stuff like that. And you will not be able to actually export the image to Figma. Yeah. But if you're using a standard mode, you can quickly edit the terms and you can export your image to maybe Figma or your design to Figma. But right now we are using a standard mode because we don't want to export our design to Figma. So I'm now going to click on generate design. So I'm going to hit generate design. So it's actually generating us our design. So I want you to see everything because you just need to give this AI a perfect prompt for this AI to quickly build your design. So it's going to hit me back with a question. Now it has asked me everything I told it to build. So it's not going to say, should I make them all? I will say yes, you make them all because we want to make them all right now. So actually it has good. It has set up an interface for us to actually use. So it's setting up our design for us. So you can see that it's setting up our design. Do no clicked. Wow. So you can see it's setting everything about the design. So why I love this application and why I see this opportunity that it makes your MVP so fast. You don't need to spend too much money on maybe on MVP. Yeah, so you can see is immediately. You can see this. You can see how think is still going. There's still more application for this. Yeah, so there's still more. So you can see actually. So you can see. There's so many applications that this can offer us right away. So you can see so many applications that this AI can do. So right now you can actually edit this immediately. You can edit. So we are currently going to edit this. So all you need to do is to, if you can copy this here. So once you paste, so you can just tell it maybe what kind of, I say okay, I want the home page to have a dark background. I want the home page to have a dark background. Sorry, I'll wait for that. Yeah, so yeah. So I want this to have a, so I'm going to give it to this AI because we specified the page that we want AI to actually build for. So this AI is going to, revisit the host system immediately. So you can see it's currently doing it. So he's doing it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, sorry for this. So boom, you can see that it has changed this for us right now. So one thing I love about this is that you can copy or you can export this design into a Figma and build from there, or you can export it or you give it to your developer for them to actually build you a simple application. And one good thing is you can also copy the code. You can copy this application, this design code. Then you head to maybe any of your vibe coder, any of your vibe coder tool you're using, or your vibe coding tool you're using. Maybe it's Cursor, um, this boot.new, all of them. Just go there, copy this code, export it to that place. So right now, and that is all. And one thing I love about this is an opportunity. You could even sell these designs for maybe $50, $10, $20. You can sell it for smaller businesses that are looking forward to do this immediately. So right now, this is what I wanted to do. And for the record, I just built a Discord community where we help maybe people learn AI, help businesses learn AI. So, and this community is free, and this is a Discord community, like I told you, is free. All you need to do is to click the link in my description below and join this. And I will also leave the link in my comment section below. And you can just comment, maybe drop any comment, and I'll be here to assist you on how to use this kind of AI tools. Yeah, so that is all for. So yeah, thank you very very much. Yeah, so we can still see so many AI tools. If this want to be deleted, though it can be deleted, but we do not want to delete it. Yeah, so you could copy this one by one and export it to, or you can copy the code one by one and export and build back end and front end application from this design. Yeah, so thank you very much guys for watching this video. Yeah, so thank you.